Hi everybody, it's Doug Buenz with the 680 Doug Buenz Group at Compass and 680homes.com. This is the December market minute for Dublin. So let's take a look at what's going on in the Dublin market. And so for a 30,000 foot view, what is going on? It's a holiday market. We're seeing lower inventory, lower sales levels, a little longer days on market. Typical for this time of year. Dublin in particular, we're seeing some mixed signals, so probably not enough activity to really get a clear indication, but we'll take a deep dive into the stats anyway, and we can see what that bears in terms of market direction. So supply down, big surprise. This is typical for a holiday market. So available homes in Dublin is down. There's 29 versus 47 at the end of October versus 48 a year ago. So inventory's down. Demand or pending sales also down. 26 pending sales in Dublin in November, down from 32 in October, up from 21 a year ago. So supply and demand are both down. Activity levels down. Absorption rate through the roof, 111%. What that means is, or market velocity is another way to term it, of all the active inventory, what's the percentage of pending sales? How much of that inventory theoretically is getting absorbed? And for November, it was 111%. Very active. That's up from 68% in October and way up from 43% a year ago. So most of it has to do with the shrinking inventory. But it's a positive sign anyway. Average days on market for active listings in Dublin for single family homes, 51. Average days on market for sold properties in Dublin, 23. That's down from 26 in October and 24 a year ago. So you can see quite a discrepancy between the days on market for the active listings, 51, versus sold, 23. So what does that tell us? Again, back to the dual market. Properties that are priced well, that show well, that are in prime condition locations will get immediate attention and often sell over asking price. Properties that aren't priced aggressively, that don't show particularly well or have some flaw are going to struggle and take a lot longer to sell. And that we're seeing that pattern across all the markets here in the Tri-Valley. The average asking price per square foot is $469. The average sold price per square foot is $458, and that's up from $434 in October and $471 a year ago. So a little bounce in price per square foot there. The median sales price is also up, $1.11 million in Dublin for closed sales in November. That's up from $1,085,000 in October and about the same as a year ago, $1.1 million. So median sales price fairly steady. Percent of sales price to list price down, 97% versus 98% in October versus 98% a year ago. So it's typical for this time of year, and that's the percent of asking price that the sellers are getting on average, 97%. 17% of the inventory in Dublin has been reduced for single family homes, 21% sold over asking, and 32% of the sales in November sold in under 10 days on the market. Again, dual market. So the lesson here, make your house look great, price it aggressively, and it'll garner a lot of attention. Price it high, or don't do any work to it, and it could stay on the market a while. That's our market recap for Dublin. As always, if we can help you with your real estate needs, please give us a call at 925-621-0680 or visit us at 680homes.com. Thanks for watching.